Welcome to Help Screen, and if you want to make a stand and please donate, first thing is go to more over here at the bottom right corner of the screen and scroll down and should be able to see here create. And after that, you could just simply go ahead and select the three lines on the top left corner and a side tab will pop up. Scroll down and you should be able to see here creations. Tap on creations and just simply go ahead and have your place public over here. So if you have your place private, you will just simply select the three lines on the top right of the picture over here, as you can see. And here you should be able to make public instead of make private over here. Now, with that said, just simply select your place. And now just simply select the three lines on the top left and just simply scroll down. You should be able to see here passes. And from here, just simply tap on create a pass. And after that, you should have an option over here to change the picture. And you could just simply provide the name over here. So let's say the name is Stan and just simply provide a description and provide all of the necessary information and tap on create pass once you are done. And after that, as you can see, my pass is stand. And if we scroll to the left, as you can see, it is off sale. So from here, we need to enable this one. So just simply tap on stand. And from here, just simply select the three lines on the top left and go for the sales. And after that, just simply toggle on item for sale over here. And after that, just simply provide a default price. So let's say I'm going to go for 420 and just simply enable regional pricing if you prefer as well. And just simply select save changes once you are done. Now, once you have done that, you can just simply select the X on the top left and just simply go ahead and go to the please donate game into your device and just simply enter the game. Now here, once you are on the game, just simply follow the arrow that is pointing you toward a empty stand and just simply tap and hold claim. And after that, you should be able to have your stand over here. As you can see, our Robux is 420. And when you want to edit it, just simply tap and hold it. And you should be able to edit your booth over here. And guys, remember that when someone have updated or donated you a Robux, just simply wait for some time. It may take days. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like and thanks for watching.